Making $1,000 a week through cryptocurrency trading is not a guaranteed or easy task, especially for beginners. Cryptocurrency markets can be highly volatile and risky, and success requires knowledge, experience, and a disciplined approach. However, here's a beginner's guide to getting started with cryptocurrency. Educate yourself. Start by understanding the fundamentals of cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, and how different cryptocurrencies work. Research and learn about the top cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, as well as other altcoins that interest you. Choose a reliable exchange. Select a reputable cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Ensure the exchange has good security measures and a user-friendly interface. Create an account. Sign up for an account on the chosen exchange. Complete the verification process, and secure your account with strong passwords and two-factor authentication, 2FA. Start with small investments. Begin by investing only what you can afford to lose. Crypto markets are highly volatile, and prices can fluctuate dramatically. Start small to gain experience and minimize potential losses. Research and analyze. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, conduct thorough research and analysis. Study the project's white paper, team, community, market trends, and potential use cases. Understand the risks and potential rewards associated with each investment. Develop a strategy. Establish a trading strategy based on your risk tolerance, investment goals, and market research. Decide whether you want to focus on long-term investments or short-term trading. Consider using tools like stop-loss orders to manage your risks. Diversify your portfolio. Avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your cryptocurrency investments across different projects and asset classes to spread your risk. This way, if one investment performs poorly, others may help offset the losses. Stay informed. Keep up with the latest news and developments in the cryptocurrency space. Follow reputable cryptocurrency websites, blogs, and social media accounts to stay informed about market trends, regulatory changes, and new investment opportunities. Practice risk management. Set realistic profit targets and determine your acceptable level of loss. Use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses in case the market moves against your position. Avoid chasing quick gains and be patient with your investments. Learn from experience. Learn from both your successful trades and your mistakes. Reflect on your trading decisions, analyze what worked and what didn't, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Continuous learning and adaptation are essential in the cryptocurrency market. Remember, cryptocurrency trading involves substantial risk, and there are no guarantees of making a specific amount of money within a given time frame. Be prepared to face losses and setbacks along the way. It's important to approach cryptocurrency trading with caution and to never invest more than you can afford to lose.